This is a love reading for you, Leo, for July to August. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the love connection. So, you should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate as it is with all Leo, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, who are you two in the relationship? Sorry. What is the strength and challenges you bring? How do you both see each other? What is the hope or fear you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And what is the guidance for the love reading? So let us see. You're very gifted, Leo, communication wise. Some of you rule the communication, and you speak very well, and you create lot of success. I'm seeing a promotion here. Some of you have got promoted recently, or you have made it very big in some way in life. Maybe something that was not possible has been achieved by you. This is also telling me you got recently engaged. So some of you, Leo, this could be a guidance of someone who recently got engaged, or maybe you're pregnant. I am seeing a very huge energy change, or entering a new phase of life in some way for you, Leo. Very, very beautiful, big guidance that I'm getting here. Also, you're heavily supported. It's like if you take 2 steps, this universe is helping you take 2 more steps. So your half the journey gets done so easily, or you get to half the way so easily because you're so heavily supported. When I look at your partner, he or she seems to be struggling in almost the same line of work. It's quite possible that you both are in some communication related field, or you both are doing similar kind of work, but while you're acing it and you're excelling it, your partner is just trying, dying, exhausting, and can't really create this kind of success you have created. Other thing I'm saying is your partner is refusing to take a treatment for some kind of a medical problem or some issue that they have. So your partner is ignoring a certain health issue. Maybe it is the eyesight, maybe it is the back pain, maybe it is the knee injury, or just headache. I don't know what it is, but your partner seems to be ignoring going to the doctor or taking a treatment. So your partner should take it, because you should definitely go and take treatment, because I'm seeing he or she needs some treatment. Definitely, it's just not going to go away. Also, this guidance is telling me some of you are in a, how sometimes when difficulty strikes, some people just make it work and then some will crumble. I'm just saying that this relationship between the two of you did not start with riches and abundance. You both struggled a lot with money, and while it is leading to a lot of success and happiness, your partner is feeling very exhausted. He or she is feeling there's just so much they have done, and they're finding the ride very difficult with having to do so much in the relationship and not having started already with a lot. So this is how your partner is feeling. He or she is feeling a lot of under the weather. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? There are some ambitions or plans you have cut down, Leo, and the reasons could be maybe you need money for something else. Maybe it is too ambitious at this point in time, but you're cutting down on work. So some of you as a partner to Leo, if you think Leo is always working or is gearing up for the next phase of work or work situation. It's not true. While Leo is at work and is creating a lot of success, or even in the family life, he or she is cutting down work to spend more time with you. So I'm seeing the energy of Leo being very committed to the family life. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring as a partner? I'm seeing you spending a lot of money. So, it makes you happy. It makes you happy to buy new clothes. It makes you happy to go watch a movie, to go eat out and then pursue or do things that you like. You are not in a saving mode. Whatever you are earning, I'm seeing you spending as a partner. You're not somebody who's saying let's save it for the future, let's save it for the kids. As of now, it is about you wanting to spend the money and enjoy life. Now, how do you see your partner, Leo, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who complains a lot or has a lot of regret about something. So this is the energy of lot of sadness of how things did not work out or some decisions went very very wrong, and your partner is not able to overcome it. So, and I'm seeing this is the energy of lot of depression or sadness also. You know, I don't know what is going on with your partner, but he or she needs some help, because here also he or she is exhausted, feeling down and out. And you also are seeing your partner as someone who's an introvert, doesn't like to interact much, and has a lot of struggle emotionally or a very deep regret about something. So you see your partner as spending a lot of time being regretful about some decision in the past. So this is how it is. How does your partner see you, Leo? Your partner sees you as someone who maybe wanted to marry someone in the past and then did not. To me it's looking like you earlier made a decision, Leo, to not marry this partner or be with this partner, and now you both have reconnected and a lot of time has gone by. So your partner feels that you should have made the move to marry him or her, or you both could have got married earlier on, and it was maybe your decision to hold back or wait and watch, and maybe that is the energy which is playing out. I'm just seeing that you did not take a certain decision about being together earlier on, and this is a complaint I'm seeing is mostly coming from the partner. You could be dating your ex also. You both may have dated in the past, then gone your way, and now you both are back. So this is the kind of guidance I'm getting looking at these cards. Now let us see what is the hope or fear you have about the future with each other. You are very very convinced that this marriage or union, love union, is going to work out. You are completely sold out on this positivity, and you are very happy and you are looking forward to a raising a family. So very convinced, Leo, and you totally see the future together with this partner. I'm just seeing you very very convinced and happy about the future. So maybe your partner needs little bit of time out, or maybe just you both could go spend some time together, because your partner is little bit sad or is in a very caught up energy, feels very contained, doesn't feel free. So maybe a holiday could help, because I'm seeing you're so convinced and sold out on the future together that this is the best life the two of you can have, or this is the partner you want to make it long term with. If you're so convinced, you both should go traveling, be more intimate, and there should be more happy cards with your partner. I don't know what's going on with him or her. Your partner sees that you're still nursing a heartbreak, or a certain heartbreak will come and jeopardize the future plans. So it doesn't look like so to me. So the partner to Leo, your fears about your Leo nursing a broken heart may not be real, and he or she will not carry this energy in the future. So you want to understand Leo a little bit better, because he or she is looking very happy, successful, wanting a family, wanting a union to work out. He or she is very very gung ho, happy about this union. You seem to be little bit doubting it or not sure how it is going to work out. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Leo, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So, in the past, you have spent a lot of time mastering your skill. Some of you have done a very, you have done a very big or a huge course or a very expensive course to be where you are. You have put your education to a very good use, Leo, because you see, here is a man or a boy, young boy with the sword, and here is someone who's created a crown on the sword. So whatever you have learnt, you have created great success for yourself, Leo. Amazing. This is just such a brilliant big card. What is the past your partner is coming from? He or she can do anything and everything for love, or if something needs to be done, he or she will go out and do it all. So there is nothing that this partner will not do. So in the past, your partner has played every aspect to the relationship, or to make this relationship work. He or she has done everything, has played the romantic, has played the workaholic, has played the traveler, has played a lover. Everything your partner has played. He or she is a very well-rounded person, and if he or she wants something, they will completely or totally go out for it. So very mature and a beautiful energy from your partner that I'm seeing. So how's overall the guidance for the love reading? Oh wow, I'm so happy to see this guidance. You both are headed for something very beautiful. This is happily ever after, and this union is going to lead to so much of happiness. You're going to be together, you're going to be so happy in each other's company, and you're going to raise a very beautiful family. I'm just seeing a lot of happiness coming your way, and there is just so much love and understanding for the two of you. So, and Leo, your belief that this is the most right partner to be with you, or this is the partner you want to make a future with, is very right, because this is a guidance of the two people who are not just happily ever after, but are also blessed with a very nice family life. So you both will have lot of love between the two of you. So you should definitely look forward to taking this relationship forward and making the most of it.